Hello guys, welcome to yet another very exciting episode on how to insert or automatically generate table of content on Microsoft Word. This procedure is applicable to all versions of Microsoft, be it 2010, 2013, 2016 or 2019. Guys, if you haven't watched my previous tutorial on how to insert page numbers, please I do recommend you to watch it. Please do check a link in the description. You actually learn how to insert page numbers. Check in the description below. I'll leave a link there, guys. Please do watch that video. In order to insert table of content, guys, you need to first of all create sections in your document. Like this is a document that I've been working on. Okay, this is actually the title page, this is the abstract. So if you check this document, guys, by clicking here on this show paragraph mark, you see there's a page break here, another page break before my chapter 1, which is down here. Okay, this one. So what you need to do is if you want to create automatically generate your table of content, in order for you to create your table of content, guys, you must check the headings. You use headings in order to automatically generate this table of content. So the first thing you need to do is you first of all create your section breaks. After you're creating your section breaks, you also note that the table of content always comes after the cover page or the title page and before the content of your work. So this is where we're going to insert our table of content. So the first thing you should do is you need to select the titles that you want them to appear on the table of content. Like the abstract, if you want the abstract to be in the table of content, you can select the abstract. We can say let's select maybe heading 1 for abstract. Then we select the acknowledgement, we say heading 1 also. Then we go to dedication, heading 1. So we just allow this one because this is where we're going to put our table of content. So we can just keep that one for the moment. Now our list of figures, we can also assign table heading 1. Our list of table, we also assign heading 1. List of abbreviation, we also assign heading 1. Okay. Then you have to do this for all the headings. So I'll just show you for a couple of headings, then I will just do the other one, then I'll come back to you guys. So for chapter 1 also, you select heading 1. Then after chapter 1 we have 1.1. we can give this one heading 2. Okay, so you also have to note, guys, that you can't skip to heading 3 without doing heading 2. So you must have heading 2 before heading 3 so that it moves down in an orderly manner. Okay, so now we go to chapter 1.2. okay, we still give it heading 2. Scroll down to chapter 1.3, heading 2. 1.4, heading 2. 1.5, okay, heading 2. So you go to chapter 2. Chapter 2, we select heading 1. 2.1, we select heading 2. Then chapter 2.1.1, now we need to shift to heading 3. Okay, chapter 2.1.2, we move to heading 3 also. Okay guys, so that's it. I'll just do the rest at the background, then I'll come back to you. It's the same procedure. Okay, welcome back, guys. Now I've actually selected the various chapters and assigning them to different headings. So now in order to insert your table of content, you need to come to table of content, the page in which you want to insert the table of content. Then you come to references, click on table of content, then you select whichever format you want. Is it automatic table 1, automatic table 2, whichever one you're using, it's up to you. So I'll go for automatic table 1. So you just click here, so it comes up with an automatically generated table of content. So it can actually delete the first one that we used. So we can actually modify this by giving the name table of content. Okay guys, so this is actually straightforward. If in case you made any modification in your text, make sure you come to your table of content and you update the table. You select update entire table, so you select the second one and you say okay, so it's gonna update the entire table. Okay guys, so it's very straightforward. Okay guys, in case you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and smash the notification button Also, don't forget to subscribe.